Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. Ready to step down if CM has any political compulsions, Minister Deelip Parulekar and Milind Naik tell Prudent. Rest say we will wait for CM's report card. One more bookie arrested from Goa in connection with IPL spot fixing. Mumbai police arrest bookie Shonan Mehta from Baga. Vegetable prices skyrocket. Prices of essential vegetables up by almost 50%. Common man feels pinch of inflation. The 5-hour power outage on Thursday evening may be due to human error. Power department suspect that the main cable was cut deliberately. And Goa Cricket Association gets down to business. Elite and upcoming players report for Ranji Trophy pre-season training. Now the news in detail. Tourism Minister Deelip Parulekar and Power Minister Milind Naik have cleared that they are ready to resign as cabinet ministers if CM tells them. Both the ministers have said that they are ready to make way for other candidate if it is a political compulsion. Remaining lot of ministers is maintaining that they are delivering honestly and efficiently and CM should assess them. Chief Minister on Thursday had hinted at reshuffle in the cabinet. Prudent on this backdrop spoke to the ministers for their reactions. Watch our special report.
After Chief Minister's statement, Prudent asked the minister to rate themselves in terms of performance on a scale of 10. These are the replies from the ministers. Mahadev Naik, Industries Minister, says, "It is not fair to rate my work and performance by myself, but my work was perfect." Dayanand Manrekar, Water Resources Minister, says, "Chief Minister will rate my performance, but I will say I have given my 100%. Chief Minister has full right to drop or induct any minister." Deelip Parulekar, Tourism Minister, says, "I had been doing my work honestly, but I can't rate my performance. It is up to the CM to retain or remove me. But if induction of a new minister has become a necessity, then CM may tell me half an hour in advance and my resignation will be ready." Milind Naik, Power Minister, says, "How do I rate my performance myself? It is Chief Minister's prerogative. My portfolio is very demanding and tough. People are okay if there is water supply for 4 hours, but they can't tolerate 4 minutes power cut. But I am doing my job systematically. Power portfolio will always prove to be a crown of thorns for any minister. Chief Minister's call will be final. I will step down happily if he wants. Staying in power and developing my constituency is more important." Deepak Dhavlikar, Corporation Minister, says, "I will rate my performance as 10 out of 10. I will think about not being in the cabinet when CM tells me to step down. People elect a MLA. MLAs elect the Chief Minister. Chief Minister selects cabinet ministers." Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar has a different view.
हो जो विषय आसा मुख्यमंत्र्यांचो विषय आसा. मुख्यमंत्री ह्या संदर्भात की आमकां मंत्र्यांक किंवा आमच्या पक्षाचे जे आमदार आसा तांकां प्रॉपर गायड करतले.
पर्टिक्युलरली तुमकांच कित्याक बोट दाखयलें काय म्हणून बाकीच्या आनी मंत्री आशिल्लीं?
नाही तसो हाजो संदर्भाचो एक विशय आसा की ह्या दिसांक ज्या तरेन हांगा सरकार उडोवपाच्या संदर्भात किंवा सरकार डिस्टर्ब करपा संदर्भात आमच्या आमदार मंत्र्यांनी अस्वस्थता निर्माण करपा संदर्भात एक गट वावरता. त्यामुळे फाटले जेन्ना आमचे मुख्यमंत्री परदेशांक आशिल्ले त्या वेळाचेर तांचे एबसेन्सांक अशे तरेचे षडयंत्र करपाचो प्रयत्न करताले. तांकां तें यश आयलें ना. आमचे भारतीय जनता पक्षाचें सरकार अस्थिर करपा संदर्भांतलें एक अशे तरेचें षडयंत्र चलिल्लें आसा.
CM has cleared that only reshuffling of portfolios is in the pipeline and not induction or dropping of any new minister.
एक्सरसाइज करतलो त्या एक्सरसाइजान तांकां एक्सरसाइज पूर्ण जालो की ताका एक आनीक पोर्टफोलियो दितलो. थंय कितें मायनर मॉडिफिकेशन करपाचें आसा एखाद्याक तर एक खंयचें हें नाका तें करूंक जाय. जाल्यार तें जातलें कितें तें तांकां विचारून तांच्या बरोबर चर्चा करूनच जातलें
सुरवातेक सांगिल्लें तें
बट रिशफल इज अ चेंज ऑफ मिनिस्टर हय एका एका मिनिस्टराक आमदाराकूय घेवन बसता ते कॉर्पोरेशनाचो विशय घेवन ह्या म्हयन्यान तो एक्सरसायज पूर्ण करता.
The only minister whom we didn't ask to rate their performances were Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister Francis D'Souza and PWD Minister Sudin Dhavrikar. We could not get in touch with Alina Saldana, Lakshmikant Parsekar and Avertan Furtado till late evening. Bureau Report, Prudent.
One more bookie has been arrested from Goa in connection with the IPL spot fixing. Mumbai police conducted the raid. Bookie Shonan Mehta alias Shobhan Kalachoki has been arrested for taking bets on IPL matches. Investigating police team has taken him to Mumbai for interrogation.
Mumbai Police Crime Branch team on Friday noon arrested bookie Sohan Mehta alias Shobhan Kalachoki somewhere at Baga. Though Shobhan was hiding in a hotel in Panji with his family, allegation is that Shobhan used to take bets during IPL matches, especially related to Rajasthan Royals team. Police is investigating his possible links with cricketers. His name and links were disclosed during investigation following arrest of tainted cricketer Ash Srishant. Since then, Shobhan had been underground. Special investigating team of Mumbai Crime Branch was tracking him and finally succeeded on Friday. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Shell out fortunes for purchasing vegetables in market now as the prices have shot up by 30 to 50%. Basic vegetables such as tomatoes, onions and carrots have touched 50 rupees per kilo in the local markets. Though State Horticulture Corporation is providing some respite with their subsidized rates, local markets are highly vulnerable to the fluctuating stocks across the border. Retailers claim that vegetables are supplied at inflated prices from Belgaum itself.
After fish, it's the turn of vegetables to be costly, very precious. Vegetables, the basic necessity and the main ingredient of a common man's meal, has touched sky-high prices. An onion, which is 23 rupees per kilo at State Horticulture Department, is available for 28 rupees per kilo in the local markets. Same is with the tomatoes, carrots and chilies, and the list goes on. The consumers are in a dilemma. Retailers are flabbergasted. Vendors are upset. Overall, vegetables are costing a bomb at present.
पयलीं टमाट मातशे सवाय आसले 12 रुपये 13 रुपये किलो आसले आतां म्हारग जाल्ले आसा जे आमचे डेलीचे कस्टमर आहा पळय तांकां दोन दिसांनी रेट वेगळो वेगळो आमकां दिवचो पडटा आनी कस्टमर म्हणटा कितें आरे दिसान दीस वाडता.
Retailers have slammed State Horticulture Department. They claim that horticulture outlets are adding woes to their problems by providing vegetables at subsidized rates. Retailers claim that inflated vegetable supply from Belgaum has further hit their backbone.
बेळगांवच्यानूच वाडून येयला न्ही म्हणून म्हारग न्ही बेळगांव सवाय जाल्ले हांगा सवाय जातले न्ही.
गोंयान जी भाजी 90% भाजी म्हणटा ती म्हणजे 95% सुद्दां म्हटल्यार ती सगळी भाजी बेळगांवच्यान येता तर बेळगांवूच भाजी रेट चड आसा. तुम्ही आज 500 जी 1000 आउटलेट केली हॉर्टिकल्चरान त्या खातीर भाजी वाडली रेट. बेळगांव जो रेट वाडपाक जो कारण भाजयेचें हें म्हाका दिसता 75% जबाबदार हॉर्टिकल्चर आसा.
We compared the rates of vegetables available at horticulture outlets and in local markets. We come to know why retailers are firing all guns at the horticulture department. Onion is 23 rupees kilo at horticulture while it is 25 rupees per kilo in local market. Potato is 18 rupees at horticulture while it is 22 rupees per kilo in the local market. Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.